Okay, here's the selection at this Habitat. Here's some, I don't know what that is, it's a generic thing. Littleton. A couple of these Littleton things. I'm videoing.
I'm going to start walking around.
Here's a hugger of some kind. A hugger motor housing. And there's the motor. I don't know, this looks like it's whatever it is, it's missing the front of the motor housing. There's a Delta II. I want to see the prices on this. Because it's in its box, or no, it's in a Hampton Bay Farmington box. Let's see what's up here. Light kits. See if there's anything over there. Here's a light kit right here. This Delta II is the most interesting I've seen. Let's see, what's the price? But this one, either the hugger, this thing, here's a canopy of some kind. I don't know, it's 4-blade, those blades obviously don't go to it. Let's see here. $25. Whoa. Probably gonna get it. Oh, we've even got the original Casablanca pull chain extension. Huh. Let's see here. The motor's not stiff either. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only got 4 blades. Oh well. Maybe I can find the other blade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. There's a motor housing for some kind of hugger, or no, Hampton Bay thing. Yeah, there's that Littleton, I think that's what that is, and here's that motor housing for that generic hugger. Let's see, what is it? It doesn't say. It's not FMC, it doesn't have the ribbed nose. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, here's a motor housing for it. GE vent. There's no blades to it. Put that back there, the GE vent. Oh, there's a Hampton Bay Quick Connect box at least. Oh, here's another fan over here. That looks like a can arm. There's a GE vent. This GE vent, how much is this? Crest GE vent. There's a Harbor Breeze, cheap thing. Ooh, here's a spinner. There's stencil blades. This looks like an Encon. Yep, Encon. Well, here's another Delta II. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still only got 4 blades. Here's a Hunter Coastal Breeze, or yeah, Coastal Breeze. Well, I'm torn between the Delta II or this GE vent, this Crest. But this thing has bent blades. It doesn't have cane either. See if I can find anything else. Okay. Well, I'm probably going to get the Delta II. What's this? Oh, just a light. Okay. Nothing up there. Okay, well, that is the selection at this habitat. Thanks for watching. Well, this is what I ended up buying. I did buy the Delta II with the pull chains, and I'm going to be able to install it in my room, I think. And I found this Gentex 7000 series smoke detector and a Wheelock E50-R, the speaker, fire alarm speaker. So there you go. Thanks for watching. More to come.